Hi everyone, this is Emma. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the railroad cord. So let's get started. Start with a loose slip knot. Now don't pull it too tightly. So there's the loop on your hook. You're going to go through the loop below, right here, and pull through both stitches. Now you're going to go through this loop and pull through. Again, go through this loop and pull through. And you just keep doing that. Through the loop below, pull through both loops. Through the loop below, pull through both loops. Through the loop below. And you do that until your cord is the length that you need it.